Green lagi? Yelah, green lah. Okay. Alright. Ni kita baca tadi tu. What is this? Smiling
Fun.
friend. Okay, friend. Kat sini friend ni adalah nama orang. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Okay, next.
And can
Mm-mm.
uh, uh,
Oh. Mm-hmm.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
uh, us a pod
Pergi ke N dulu.
pond
Very good. Pond. Okay.
pond
Fran and Pam are at a
pond
pond. Dua orang ni pergi
pond
ke tasik. Okay. This one. The, the A. Ha,
they
yes.
they
They.
can
Mm-hmm.
be
Mm-hmm.
a
Cuba. Ada S-
sow swing
Suah. Ah.
swand
Yeah. Tak nak bunyi de. Swan.
swan
Yes. Swan je. Okay. Swan. Apa tadi? Angsa kan? Dia orang dapat tengok angsa. Okay. Okay. Ni panjang sikit. Okay. This one. Ha. Tengok saya satu. Ini the.
they
They.
they can
Mm-hmm.
see a
Mm-mm.
green in
Swan.
in
Hmm.
the pond
Pond. Okay, they can see a swan in the pond. Dia nampak seekor angsa di tasik. Okay, last one, Amsyah.
let's have us swim
Lagi sekali, let's.
let's swim
Ada
swim
swim. Okay, one more time. Let's.
let's swim
Eh, swim. Okay, terus tutup mulut. Terus katuk mulut. Swim. Okay, let's swim. Dia ajak kawan dia pergi berenang. Okay,
habis
habis.
habis kelas